Hello guys, my name is Lawrence. I'm the CEO of the LGC, ISL, ECC, and CLC, which stand for Lawrence Group Company, International School of Languages, the Europa Christ Company, and the Christ Light Company. These all are different organizations or companies. Today, I'm gonna explain to you a small tips or small tips that will help you to improve your English. All right. Most people ask me, what do I do to improve my English? Some people ask me like that, but I came to realize that there are tips, there are things you can practice on daily basis to help you to, really improve your language. All right. I have to be very, very clear with you, telling you exactly the things that can shape you. Meaning here, the things that can be the source of certain improvement in some areas. Because most people find difficulties in various areas. I mean, not the same area, but various areas. All right. I have to tell you that the international tests, IELTS, IELTS, or the TOEFL tests, the TOEFL tests, all evaluate people based on the reading, the writing, the listening, and the speaking. All right, they all do they test or they evaluate people the ability to speak, the ability to read, the ability to write, and the ability to listen. All right. So these are the four areas in which the evaluation system is designed uh, to to be conducted. So, or the exam itself. Now, I will explain to you that some of the things that we can do can literally help you to increase your level in reading, in writing, in listening, in speaking. All right? Okay, let's go. Number one, you can have time to read newspaper, goods ones. Whenever you are reading good newspaper, you are actually grasping new vocabulary, new things. You are discovering the world of English, the world of literature, and it might not be the bigger newspaper, but it might have some information, some content, especially the good one can actually put in your brain or download. You will download in your memory certain things that you read from there. Good books, for example. Wow, my friend, the books are very important. Whenever you are reading good books like the Bible, like Christian books, whatever good books, mostly Christian books, you will find that they actually shape your vocabulary. This one, I would say, make you more literated, meaning you become more knowledgeable. It's goes beyond the language to the knowledge of the things you're studying. For example, a person can know the language of English but might not be able to know law, for example, because law is a particular course and is a particular knowledge. Even though he knows English, but he doesn't know law. He might not know biology, he might not know mathematics, he might not know history, because these are particular knowledge of specific fields. That's why no matter how much English you may know, you might not know deep or profound knowledge in particular areas, even though they are in English. It means that you must study them in true books. Good novels. Novels here stand for mostly, no, I would say poetry. I'll say things that people have written, or small ratings of people. Not almost small, but I'll say writings of people where they wrote about several things, and that will help you also. Articles as well, good ones, my friend. And now you see over here, these four things help you to read. It means from here to here, to articles, you'll see that it helps you to read, to improve your reading and also your writing. Now, in your writing, you definitely get to know whatever you have read and put it on your writing in on paper. You can even read and write things you understand. You read a book and you write the summary, and as you read and write, you see you are actually developing your mind. And after that, we move to the listening through movies, animated movies, documentaries, public speeches, preachings, and sermons. You see, these ones are almost video or audio. Whenever you are listening to them regularly, listening to them, and also you can take notes, you are developing your ability to listen. All right, your ability to listen, to grasp for more information through the listening ability. But you can also engage yourself in speaking through conversations with people. Now, over here, this is another one, through conversation. To conversation, to conducting meetings, for example, or various other strategies where you have to do public speaking. And over here, you have to engage yourself, to be the one active, uh, expressing yourself. Even though in this one you are also active, but in this one you use your mouth now. You are talking. You are the one speaking. You are the one bringing bringing word out. All right, meaning talking, speaking. It is very, very important to be to be practicing this thing, and I believe if a person practice this thing, he will have some, at a certain level, some changes. All right, it will start. There will be some increase, improvements at a certain degree. Not necessarily a great degree, but at a certain level, on at a certain measure. All right, it's done for today. I hope you enjoy the English course, English class for today. We're gonna have more English class, all right, and they are gonna be very, very interesting because we want to deal with specific matters, important matters that can help us, improving our English. All right. Thank you very much. Anybody want to call me, want to write me on WhatsApp, you can just get my number. My number is 08959777291. I'll give it again, 08959772891. Sorry, 291. I repeat it again, 08959777291. All right, you can write to me on WhatsApp if you want. You want a coaching in English. You want a training or anything you want in English. Just write on my number. All right. Thank you. It's a WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you. All right.